The Yamaha RX-V6A 7.2-channel AV receiver stands out with its powerful support for Dolby Atmos, offering cinema-level surround sound right in your home. I have provided the link to this receiver in the description below if you're interested in purchasing it. This AV receiver is designed for audio enthusiasts and home theater lovers who want immersive sound combined with cutting-edge connectivity and smart functionality. With 7.2-channel surround sound capabilities, it offers a truly expansive and rich audio experience, ideal for both movies and music. Whether you're streaming playlists, gaming in high fidelity, or watching blockbusters, the RX-V6A ensures every sound is crisp and positioned exactly where it should be. One of the standout features of the RX-V6A is its HDMI 2.1 compatibility, supporting 8K 60p, 4K 120AB, and eARC. With 7 HDMI inputs and 1 output, this receiver is future-ready and perfect for connecting gaming consoles, Blu-ray players, streaming boxes, and more. The inclusion of HDCP 2.3 and support for Dolby Vision, Hybrid Log Gamma, and BT.2020 also means you're not just getting great sound, you're getting unmatched visual quality to complement it. This receiver transforms your entire entertainment system into a powerful multimedia hub, bringing cinematic excellence into the living room. Wireless streaming is seamless thanks to built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirPlay 2, and MusicCast, Yamaha's multi-room technology. You can stream from popular services like Spotify, Tidal, Deezer, Pandora, Amazon Music HD, and more. For added convenience, the RX-V6A integrates voice control via Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. You can adjust volume, change inputs, or play music hands-free. The YPAO, Yamaha Parametric Room Acoustic Optimizer, with R.S.C, reflected sound control and multi-point measurement customizes your sound according to your room's acoustics, ensuring optimal performance every time you listen. Whether you're watching a quiet drama or a thunderous action film, the receiver automatically adapts and enhances the experience. In terms of build quality and user experience, the RX-V6A is sleek, intuitive, and built for seamless control. From its minimalistic front panel to the easy-to-navigate on-screen menus, every detail is crafted with the user in mind. The stereo and surround output modes provide flexibility for various listening environments, and the broad device compatibility ensures it integrates well with your existing setup. Overall, the Yamaha RX-V6A is not just an AV receiver, it's a complete sound and entertainment command center. It brings together powerful hardware, smart software, and an elegant design to elevate your home audio to the next level.